Excitement is surging through the creator community as the first glimpses of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 emerge, thanks to the testing footage captured by Igor Bogdanov. From the very first shots, it's clear that DJI is aiming to push the boundaries of what a compact gimbal camera can achieve. One of the most noticeable changes is in the gimbal design itself. The arms supporting the camera look considerably thicker and more robust compared to the Pocket 3. This may seem like a subtle alteration, but it suggests a substantial upgrade in hardware, likely to support a more advanced and heavier camera module, which could dramatically enhance stability and precision during filming. The camera block itself immediately catches the eye, resembling the design of DJI's Air 3, only scaled down to fit into the handheld form factor of the Osmo Pocket series. This similarity raises some interesting questions about the capabilities DJI has packed into such a compact device. It's rare to see such a small camera deliver performance that rivals larger systems, and the footage hints that DJI might be achieving just that. While previous leaks and rumors hinted at minor upgrades for the Pocket 4, Igor's footage suggests that this iteration is far more ambitious, potentially redefining expectations for the series. Earlier rumors and design leaks had painted a different picture, most notably suggesting a horizontal dual-camera layout with two lenses placed side by side. That design had fans imagining certain shooting possibilities and limitations, but Igor's test footage overturns that notion entirely. The Pocket 4 appears with a vertical dual-lens stack, positioning one lens directly above the other. This seemingly small shift in orientation could have major implications for performance and versatility, affecting how the camera handles depth, zoom, and wide-angle shots. It also hints that DJI may be experimenting with a completely new optical system for this series rather than sticking to tried-and-true configurations. If DJI is indeed drawing inspiration from the Air 3, there are several plausible options for the new lenses. The first likely candidate is a compact version of the Air 3's popular 24mm wide-angle lens, possibly using a smaller sensor, such as a 1.3-inch or 1.5-inch variant, to fit the reduced body size. This would retain the wide, cinematic perspective that creators love while keeping the device portable. Another exciting possibility is a medium-range zoom lens, inspired by the Air 3's 17mm option. While a full-size 17mm lens might be too large for the Pocket 4, DJI could adapt it into a practical 2x zoom, offering creators more flexibility for different shooting scenarios without compromising the handheld nature of the device. There's also a strong chance that DJI is introducing something entirely new, a custom dual-camera system engineered specifically for the Pocket 4. The vertical arrangement in Igor's footage supports this theory, especially since it doesn't resemble anything from previous Osmo Pocket models, suggesting that DJI is taking a fresh approach to the design and functionality of its compact camera series. Another intriguing aspect revealed in the footage is the camera's orientation and usability for social media content. The Pocket 4 is shown being used vertically, signaling a clear focus on vertical-first content creation. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other vertical video spaces have become critical for creators, and DJI seems to be acknowledging that by optimizing the Pocket 4 for these formats. This could be a game-changer for creators who need a high-quality, portable camera that seamlessly adapts to the demands of modern social media trends. Comparisons between the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 also reveal subtle but meaningful differences in performance. In one segment of the footage, both cameras are mounted side by side on the same rig, allowing a direct comparison of exposure, color science, stabilization, and rolling shutter effects. Even in early prototype form, the Pocket 4's display looks noticeably different, brighter, with cleaner contrast, and possibly showcasing new color profiles. The user interface also seems to diverge from DJI's typical UI, indicating that the software experience might be refreshed or reimagined alongside the hardware improvements. This combination of better stabilization, advanced color science, and an updated interface could make the Pocket 4 an incredibly appealing choice for creators who demand both portability and professional-grade output. The timing of the launch is another point of interest. Early rumors had suggested a January 2026 release, but insider information points toward an earlier launch, potentially around December 18th. This acceleration is thought to be in response to upcoming FCC wireless restrictions taking effect on December 23rd. With the release window shifting forward, DJI seems to be eager to get the Pocket 4 into the hands of creators before regulatory changes take effect, further fueling anticipation within the community. Price expectations are also shaping up to reflect the significant upgrades seen in the footage. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to land in the $699 to $799 range, which seems reasonable given the major hardware and design enhancements. If these leaks hold true, the Pocket 4 could represent the most significant evolution of the Osmo Pocket line since its inception, combining advanced optics, improved stabilization, social media-first functionality, and a refreshed interface all in one small package. The potential for a dual-lens system, especially in a vertical arrangement, could redefine what compact handheld cameras are capable of, pushing DJI ahead in the creator-focused camera market. The implications of the vertical dual-lens setup extend beyond social media convenience. This arrangement could improve depth mapping, portrait modes, and low-light performance by leveraging a staggered sensor setup, allowing the camera to capture more information than traditional single-lens configurations. For creators who rely on a pocket-sized device to shoot interviews, vlogs, cinematic sequences, or travel content, this could mean sharper images, more dynamic video capabilities, and smoother stabilization. The comparison footage also suggests improvements in color grading and dynamic range, which would make post-production far more forgiving, an essential feature for creators producing high-quality content on tight schedules. The evolution from the Pocket 3 to the Pocket 4 is not just about technical specs, it's also about the creative possibilities it opens up. By incorporating a miniaturized Air 3-style camera system, DJI appears to be addressing a gap in the market, a portable, high-performance device capable of meeting the demands of professional quality content creation. The Pocket 4 seems to be designed with the modern content creator in mind, someone who needs both mobility and versatility without sacrificing image quality. For those who frequently create on the go, this could become the go-to tool, offering a perfect balance between size, functionality, and power. Another subtle yet exciting aspect is DJI's attention to detail in testing and comparison. The side-by-side footage of Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 shows that the company is meticulously evaluating every aspect of performance, from stabilization and exposure to color science and rolling shutter correction. This level of scrutiny during the prototype stage indicates that DJI is committed to delivering a polished final product that not only meets but potentially exceeds expectations. Coupled with the new display and updated interface, it hints at an overall refined user experience that could make the Pocket 4 feel intuitive and responsive straight out of the box. The excitement surrounding the Osmo Pocket 4 also stems from its potential versatility. With a dual-lens system, vertical shooting capabilities, and a design optimized for portability, it could cater to a wide range of creators, from vloggers and social media influencers to travel filmmakers and independent content creators. The possibility of including a 2x zoom alongside a wide-angle lens provides creative flexibility that was previously unavailable in such a small form factor. It allows for storytelling in multiple formats without requiring additional equipment, keeping the workflow streamlined and efficient. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, as revealed in Igor Bogdanov's testing footage, represents a significant leap forward for compact handheld cameras. The thicker, more robust gimbal arms, the scaled-down Air 3-style camera block, and the innovative vertical dual-lens arrangement all point to a device that could redefine what creators expect from portable cameras. With vertical shooting optimized for social media, improved display and interface, and rumors of a release before the end of December 2025, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a highly anticipated, potentially transformative product. The expected price range of $699 to $799 aligns with the substantial upgrades, making it an attractive investment for creators who need a professional-grade camera in the palm of their hand. If DJI delivers on these enhancements, the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the most exciting and versatile compact camera we've seen in years, opening up new creative possibilities for both casual and professional users alike.